Kind regards, tutor, and classmate. My name is Jimmy Mauricio Ramirez. Eh, the, the video is about assignment strategies for learning in a e-learning model. Okay, let's go. First, I'm going to start to explain about a learning model. What is it? Uh, it's all about the learning process as face-to-face, virtual environment, self-study. In our case, we must to improve the four skills, the skill for reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Different teachers use different strategies for the student to achieve those levels. But finally, the student can successfully if they have a good discipline in the instruction of the teacher and they have a good self-study. Self-study is important for practice pronunciation with the video and then study with a classmate or a tutor. Okay, so let's check this the the next situation. We must to know the assignment for skill, receptive or input. The input skill is listening and reading. This is the receptive or input skill. And productivity output is speaking and writing. This is the kind of the four skill in the common from a European framework is divided in four skill. Now the common Europa framework is divided in the six different levels. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. Now, A1 is very basic levels. B1 and B2 is intermediate levels. C1 and C2 is advanced levels. Okay, I want to explain first the A1 level of English. In this level, the people can understand and use very basic expression. Introduce yourself and ask questions about personal details of the other people. They can interact with the other people if they speak slowly. And they are prepared make efforts to be understand the native speaker. Okay, the level A2. The people understand frequently use expression in such areas as shopping, traveling, work, local geography, and describe in simple term background internally environment about your life. Now we continue with intermediately level in B1. In B1, the people can understand points related family, work, leisure, school, details most travel situation like going to the airport, going to the restaurant, checking in a hotel, typical travel situation, and they can write about topic personal interest, describe experience, events, dreams, and ambition. as well as opinion placed in a brief. In B2, the people can understand the main ideas among technical text. They will also able to communicate spontaneously with native speakers without too much effort with native speakers. You able to write text wide variety of subjects and wide range of subjects, giving an advantage or disadvantage and common topic. Okay, let's continue with the advanced level. Advanced level is divided in two parts, C1 and C2. Please, attention please here. The C1 is the most student of English requirement to get this level because the many companies asking for C1 level. For example, in our case as a student English degree, we must get this level for graduated in this university is a requirement in this university. Now, the people with to able understand wide range long text and common complex conversation, long articles about complex subject in an English conversation a complex subject. Express ideas about complex subject with too much simple searching for expression. You will be able to language effective for academic profession and social situation flexi manner. Write well structured in detailed text complex subject. In this level C2, the high level proficiency is too near to native speaker level is an equivalent. The people can understand and read almost everything easily. They can read or hear English for various resources as TV, radio, movies, and summarize into a very coherent presentation, and they explain about those TV, radio, or movies. Uh, they can express very spontaneously, very fluently, very precisely, and no makes almost any mistake. Is very perfect level. Differentiation means in ever more complex situations. Okay, this is the high level. Is almost to native speaker. Okay, with this information, teacher created for a segment the every courses. Remember, every course is a training for get a next level. For that reason, the courses is designed with what level. Uh, for example, in this course of the UNAT, they offer to different levels depends of the level of a student. Uh, with this information, we must to create a assignment depends of the level. We use talk about the video. Uh, we write a different topic, write about the moon, for example, a dialogue with the teacher about different topics. Uh, is depend big, but the teacher must to have the four skill. Remember the four skill. Every assignment is with the four skill. This material is the penguin reader. we find in almost libraries. It's good reading because they had a lot of books with different levels with the common European word. In this book, they had some question. It's good for study with the student. Okay, we continue with the questions. The first question, write the level of English and describe it. Second question, what is the learning in the e-learning model? Which are the four skills of every language? What level of English must one reach in his working? What is the important at the moment created assignment? Okay, thank you very much and God bless you. Thanks for watching.